In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the state and country territory Picklists feature in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, this walkthrough will help you manage geographic data with ease and precision. To get started, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Once there, you'll want to locate the Setup icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and give it a click, and then select Setup from the options. This is your gateway to a more tailored Salesforce experience, allowing you to access a range of customization tools and settings. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Quick Find box. This box is a handy tool that helps you search for specific features, especially in a comprehensive platform like Salesforce, where menus can be a bit overwhelming at times. In the Quick Find box, type in State and Country Territory Picklists. By entering this search term, you quickly locate the picklist settings without having to sift through endless menus. Once you've typed it in, you'll see State and Country Territory Picklists pop up. Go ahead and click on it. Now, on the State and Country Territory Picklists page, your next move is to click on Enable Picklists for Address Fields. Enabling this feature is crucial, as it sets the stage for you to customize how addresses are managed within your Salesforce environment. It streamlines data entry and ensures standardization across your database, which is vital for maintaining consistent records. Following this, the journey continues as you click on Configure States, Countries, and Territories. Think of this as your control panel for managing geographic units within Salesforce. Here, you'll have the power to edit existing entries or add new ones, truly tailoring the list to the unique geographic focus of your business. When managing countries, you'll decide which ones you want to activate for use. For each country, there's an option to make it active, which allows data imports using picklist values, and make it visible, which enables users to select it in the user interface. It's important to take some time to consider which countries are relevant to your operations and should be visible to your users. The process for states follows a similar path. Per country, you can edit existing states, add new ones, and choose to make them active and visible. This empowers you to provide a more granular geographic structure tailored to your needs. Remember, making a state or country both active and visible doesn't just streamline data entry. It ensures that users have access to relevant options when entering data. Consequently, it prevents errors and maintains consistency across different records. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. It's an easy step to overlook, yet crucial to ensuring that all the configurations you've set are applied and maintained. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully leveraged the State and Country Territory Picklist feature to enhance your Salesforce setup. By enabling and configuring these picklists, you've taken an important step towards better data management and consistency. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce customizing.